Welcome to our pizza factory. Today, I'll take you behind the scenes to see how we make fresh dough, prepare our signature sauce, and craft delicious pizzas. Pallet 22 coming through. Looks fresh. Send it down the line.
The dough is perfectly proofed, and the sauce reading is good.
Agreed. The cheese and pepperoni meet our standards. Approved.
Temp is 3.5. Cross-reference that with the manifest.
Confirmed. Everything is within the safety parameters.
Receiving fresh ingredients and thoroughly cleaning them is the foundation of our quality assurance.
The sauce line is running low. Send the next batch over.
All right, already on it.
All workers follow strict hand washing and sanitizing procedures to maintain our sterile environment and ensure food safety.
This is the final sample from batch 7.
Initiating the chromatography sequence now.
Our new Robargos is crafted with premium ingredients and a secret blend of spices, delivering richer flavor and quality you can taste.
The pH levels are steady.
Good. Let's maintain the temperature for the next cycle.
flow rate seems a little high on this batch.
I noticed. We should adjust the timing before it hits the shredder.
Check the consistency on the large mixer.
It looks perfect. The color is exactly right.
We can start packaging the sausages soon.
Are these slices uniform enough? Some look slightly thicker.
The machine should catch those, but we need to monitor closely. This one is slightly discolored.
Yes, the system coated. Check the uniformity on the next batch.
Our toppings are carefully prepared and quality checked to ensure every pizza gets the perfect balance of flavor and freshness.
Keep the spacing tight on the outer edge.
Right, and then loosen it up as we get to the middle.
Our assembly and baking process combines skill, speed, and quality control to deliver fresh, delicious pizzas every time.
That one's off center. The arm got it.
Give it a good tug. Secure?
Yep, secure.
Good on temp. Seal it up.
Here is your large pepperoni, sir.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. It smells amazing.
Look at all these likes already.
The photo turned out great, honey.
Yeah.
To the best pizza in town. Cheers.
Our commitment to quality continues through careful packaging and efficient delivery, ensuring your pizza arrives fresh, hot, and delicious every time.
If you want to explore more behind-the-scenes tours and learn about food production, please subscribe to our channel, like this video.
This bustling factory floor symbolizes our ongoing dedication to quality, ensuring every pizza meets the highest standards.